Hi, this video is about self-healing orthopedic medical implants. There is already a traditional implants which are used in the market, but there are certain drawbacks in them: inability to self-heal, bacterial and fungal growth, and expensive periodic replacements. But to tackle all this, there are certain innovations done in the market. To look into the innovations, there are present scenario which shows the metallic implant market is growing day by day. As in 2018 to 2025, it is increasing at a rate of 30%. It is showing a huge jump in the metallic implants. As we cover to the global market, Asia Pacific region is showing the highest CAGR for the orthopedic implant market. It seeks a major and innovative business opportunity to capture the market in the beginning, as it is showing a 6.4% CAGR from 2018 to 2025. Here we pitch our idea to show how the metallic implants can be used for the patient-specific areas. This can be attained by using the 3D printing technology. And second thing, which is a novel idea, is of self-healing and bactericidal, which allows the tissues to regrow on the implant and kills the bacteria, which reduces the chance of replacement after a certain period of the time. This technique is totally new and outstands us from the existing products in the market. Here comes the costing part of the product. For mass production, it will cost us around 1 crore. And for prototyping of this product, it will cost around 2.3 lakhs. If we talk about the revenue model, here it comes. It will attain the 40% ROI in just 1 year if we go by the mass production. This is the product lifecycle management. Here we see a cycle how the product is developed and attained its final position. Firstly, the metal is procured and the 3D printing of the metal is done. Then the surface coating of the metal is done by using novel coatings. Then mechanical testing and characterization on the implant is done. Afterwards, in vivo and in vitro validation is done. These are the stages in the product development cycle. Here is the team which is leading the project by Dr. Abhineet Saini, followed by Mr. Gurmohan Singh, and then Mr. Sahil Gill. Thank you.